indescribable. My mom and I own the business together, and it's been a dream of ours for a long time. And just being able to bring something back to its former glory and make it pretty again and go in and see our work every day is just awesome.
You're giving back, and that's pretty much what I think all the buildings make Renee and I feel like. We try to just gently put our mark on the downtown area so that people can be proud of it.
Every day is just like a dream come true.
An historic building that you basically take and that perhaps hasn't been touched for 100 years, and to go in that and imagine what it used to look like, and to actually take down the newer walls and the newer drop ceilings and discover what's behind everything is really fascinating. It's really one of the more interesting things that I found redoing these buildings.
I'm so thankful that we've created a space that people can feel that way about.
I'll have changed a piece of Moberly, a piece of the world for better, and left a more beautiful place in my stead. So something I'm very proud of.
We'll stay with you and we'll make you very proud forever.
They'd been going there for years, would come in and they would act like, they'd come in the wrong door because it had changed so much. And of course, they really liked it, We've saved all the old tin ceilings and opened the windows back up and got a lot of oak in there now, so it looks real nice and everybody really enjoys it.
We act in an extremely positive way when they see one of these buildings go from a decayed eyesore to a remodeled thing of beauty, really. I think people generates a lot of pride in the community, and people just are excited to see development in downtown Moberly.
Come to Moberly and invest in our downtown area.
If you're interested in investing in or improving a property in the Moberly Depot District, MAADC can assist with financial incentives, business connections, and consulting.